we're in the middle of weather right now. So I'm not going to go into the studio quite well. Actually, yeah, I'll go into it. I'm just going to mute myself, turn you guys down a little bit, because this will be a good time to see the green screen. So, and then they'll go into commercial and I can talk to you guys during commercial.
It will drop off quite a bit though to the north and west. Today into tomorrow morning, it's not going to be too bad, and it won't be into the afternoon tomorrow either. And with the southwesterly wind coming in here, that's really going to help to warm things up. Then it's going to shift around tomorrow night, start to come in from the north and northwest, and that's going to start to cool things off. So we will be cooler heading into Saturday, but still temperatures are going to be above normal. So here's Futurecast right now as we go through the evening. Mainly clear conditions. Again, still pretty breezy out there. Tomorrow morning at 7, we're going to have temperatures pretty mild, 50s to low 60s in the southeast. A little cooler in the northwest with those temperatures in the 40s. And into the afternoon, look at these temperatures. The 9th of October, right? Tomorrow, we're going to be having temperatures in the 80s, close to record highs. Now, these are the 5 o'clock temperatures, probably a little bit warmer than this, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then tomorrow night, it'll be clear, the wind shifting around, a little cooler air coming our way for the weekend. So here's the forecast now for Sioux Falls and Mount Vernon, South Dakota for tomorrow. Looking at sunshine 86, a little cooler Saturday, still nice. That's above normal, sunny 76. We'll close out the weekend Sunday with a high of 82. There will be a chance for some thunderstorms Sunday night, some showers lingering into Monday, and then dry and cooler the rest of the 10-day forecast with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. For Aberdeen and Rossville, here's your 10-day forecast. Lots of sun here the next couple of days. Slight chance of a shower Sunday, a little better chance for some scattered showers Monday. And then as we go into the rest of the 10-day forecast, cooler 50s and 60s. Here in Mission Ridge, your 10-day forecast, lots of sun, 80s tomorrow, and then 70s over the weekend. Just a slight chance of a shower on Sunday. That's the only chance of precipitation we have the next week and a half. Cooler weather next week with those temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Kelsey.
All right, thanks very much, Phil. Well, many people are expected to scale back their holiday plans due to the pandemic.
And this could be bad news for stores that specialize in bulk sales. How stores like Sam's Club are planning ahead when we return.
Are you guys in break?
We are.
Yay. Okay, so these are students K through 12 from Sacramento.
Hi.
This is Phil Schreck.
Go Kings, go Kings.
he is actually a Kings fan.
Yeah.
This is Kelsey Passel, Sam Wright over there, and they are anchoring. This is the 6 p.m. news. So sports should be coming up here pretty soon, right?
Actually, we do sports at 9 and 10.
Not just 9 and 10. You
Yeah.
guys don't do even the sports story at the end like we used to? Okay, see?
Unless there's something big going on.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Well, we won't be seeing Mark, but so this is, I'll just kind of give you guys, just let me know when we're like 15 seconds away and I'll pop out, guys. But everyone back in Sacramento, this is our studio. I'll kind of give you guys a little tour in the 2 minutes that we have during commercial here, but all of our cameras are robotic. We don't have anyone manning these. We do have someone on teleprompter, and then control room is back there, and we'll go into the control room in a minute. But this is an area here where usually we have a couch set up, but because of social distancing right now, we don't usually use it because we have to sit close on it. But we can do sit down interviews there. We can have anchors stand there. The desk that Kelsey and Sam are standing at actually moves out. So we can just have anchors standing in the back or in front of this huge screen here, and we can change the images. This is actually, thank you, a live shot of our downtown behind them. And then this is our First Alert Weather Center. So this is where Phil lives all the time. So like our weather here, we get tornadoes, we get snowstorms, blizzards, lots of rain, but we're kind of living in a drought right now, unfortunately, which as you guys are as well. So we are just, and then I'll kind of come over here just for a little shot of the green screen. You guys kind of already saw that, but Phil can see himself on that top screen there on both sides. So we're 15 seconds away. I'm going to pop out, but if you guys have more questions, I can answer them out here.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye.